Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do this video collage. One of my subscribers asked me about making this and animating it with a magnifying glass. The magnifying glass I will leave in the description below. It's free. Buy me a cup of coffee. I have 3 clips. You want to make sure they're all the same length. And a solid color generator on the bottom. Go over here to Open FX and type in video, and it should come up right here. Drop it on the top clip. Then go to the inspector, under workflow, change it to create tile. Now it'll show the next one below it as the background, and the top one is a small one. We're going to change the rows to 1. And copies, we're going to have 3 altogether. You want to set the first one up the way you're going to want them. We'll go to tiles. We'll add some drop shadow to it. You have animation here. You can keyframe it. Animate these coming on and off the screen from any direction, rotating, opacity. I'm not going to go through all that. You can put a border on it. Under the resize content, you can pan it to line it up, plus a lot more. But that's what I want right there. We'll right click on that one, copy, click on the next one down, then right click and paste attributes. You want to make sure that all video attributes is selected. And go back to the inspector, under effects, active tile, and select number 2. Now right click on the third one and paste attributes. Again, make sure that all video attributes is selected. That just brings everything over from one to the other. Then go to active tile, and we'll select 3. And again, if they're not lined up, you can do so. We'll go to the second one. Move that one over a little bit. Now we'll bring an adjustment clip over to put the magnifying glass on. There it is. Now we'll go ahead and animate it. We'll start off the screen. Set a keyframe on the center, X and Y, and the angle. We'll advance 2 seconds. I'll try to go back and mention this is 15 seconds long. And if you hold the shift key down, hit the arrow, it'll go 1 second. I'm on a 30 FPS. And we'll set 2 more keyframes. I'm pretty sure this is what he was looking for anyhow. Now I'm going to go 3 seconds. Set 2 more keyframes. Now I'll advance 2 seconds. Now I'll advance 3 more seconds again. Keyframe both of them again. Now I'll go 2 seconds. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.